I will show you how to connect a Bluetooth keyboard to a Nothing phone without OTG. This is the Bluetooth keyboard Logitech K380. This is the on and off button. Press and hold the F1 button for 5 seconds. Keyboard pairing mode is on. Now turn on Bluetooth on your Nothing phone. Tap Pair New Device. Select your Bluetooth keyboard device. Type this pairing code on the Bluetooth keyboard. Then press Enter. Now the Bluetooth keyboard is connected to your Nothing phone. Now you can use the keyboard with your phone.